How to send a PDF file from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the person you want to mail to. And then, type in the subject. For example, photo. Then, tap on the message box. Now, go to your keyboard and tap on the arrow on the right. Tap on the attachment icon as shown. Here, tap on Attach File. Select the PDF you want from here to attach it to your email. You have now successfully attached this file to your email. After that, tap on the arrow button at the top right to send the email. Following these steps, you can easily send a PDF file from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.